Hey everyone, and welcome to ChineseSkill Unit 12. In this unit, we're going to learn the months of the year, look at how to form dates in Chinese, as well as talk about how to inquire about someone's birthday. In Chinese, the months of the year, similar to days of the week, are numerated, which makes them super easy to learn. Here, we only need to learn one new word to form the months, and that is the word for month itself, 月. To form the months in Chinese, we use the following structure. A number 1 through 12 plus 月. For example, January being the first month, we can say 1月, January. And February is the second month, 2月. So how would you say March being the third month? 3月, March. Good job. October, November, and December carries the numbers 10, 11, and 12 and sounds like this. 10月, October. 11月, November. 12月, December. Notice that when talking about the months of the year, the number comes before the word for month, like in 3月 for March. But when talking about the days of the week, the number comes after the word for week, like in 星期三 for Wednesday. Now that we know the months, let's look at how to form a date, including the day. To do this, we use the following structure. A number 1 through 12 plus 月, plus a number 1 through 31 plus 号. 号 can mean day when used in dates. So for example, January 1st, 1月1号. 1月1号, January 1st. And December 31st, 12月31号. 12月31号, December 31st. Pretty easy, right? To inquire about the date, we can use the same question word we used for the days of the week, 几. So you can say 几月几号 to mean which month and which day. So if you wanted to ask what is today's date, you could say 今天是几月几号. Literally, today is what date. 今天是几月几号. So how would you say what is tomorrow's date? 明天是几月几号. That's right. 明天是几月几号. Tomorrow is what date. Good job. Taking this one step farther, we can combine the months of the year with the days of the week and say something like March 5th is a Friday. 3月5号, March 5th, is a Friday. 是星期五. 3月5号是星期五. March 5th is a Friday. And if you wanted to ask what day of the week a certain date is, you could say something like 2月2号是星期几, meaning February 2nd is what day of the week. Great job, everyone. Now that we know how to ask about and form dates, let's talk about birthdays. Birthday in Chinese is 生日. To ask someone when's your birthday, you could say 你的生日是几月几号. 你的生日, your birthday. 是 is 几月几号, which month and which day. 你的生日是几月几号? When's your birthday? To answer, you can say 我的生日是 then the date for your birthday. So for me personally, my birthday is July 26th. I could say 我的生日是7月26号. My birthday is July 26th. So let's practice saying our birthdays. If you need to pause and figure out what your birthday is in Chinese, go ahead and do that. 你的生日是几月几号? When's your birthday? To wish somebody happy birthday in Chinese, you can use the phrase 生日快乐. 快乐 means happy and can be used to send your wishes to someone either on a holiday or for their birthday. So, happy birthday. 生日快乐. Another common phrase you may hear if you get to travel to China is 新年快乐, which means Happy New Year. And when the Chinese New Year comes around, you'll hear people say 春节快乐. 春节快乐. It means Happy Chinese New Year. So 生日快乐 Happy birthday. 新年快乐 Happy New Year. 春节快乐 Happy Chinese New Year. Bye bye.